Good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So if you want to make money consistently through arbitrage trading and not become a billionaire overnight, then this video is for you. Because in this video I'll be showing a triangular arbitrage strategy I used to earn consistently even when the market is terrible, the crypto market is crashing. I'm sure that this strategy will always provide some basic funds for me, right? Even if it is small. So if you're interested in this type of earning opportunity, then you have to watch the video to the end because you'll be learning a lot, right? So let's dive right in. So first things first, you have to have an exchange. That's the basics. If you have an exchange, then you can make money. So the exchange, it doesn't really matter. It should be a popular exchange that has most of the pairs, right? So for triangular arbitrage trading, you must use one exchange for it. And that's why we have this exchange right here. So for it to be a triangular arbitrage, it must go through three pairs. From the first one with the funds to the pair you are purchasing or exploiting and back to the ones with the funds. And through these processes, at the end, that's when you make your profit or find out the amount of money you've made. And for that to be possible, you should have a pair in mind already, a pair you want to exploit. You can exploit this pair multiple times, different times in a week. Like if you have it in your arsenal that I'm sure of this pair, right? You can check it over and over and see how profitable it can be. If it doesn't work like that, then you find another pair. Some pairs you can exploit them for a whole week. Not the same time, it will correct and go back, but the price difference matters, right? So even when the price difference is smaller, you can just do it because I've already made money from it prior to this time, right? So now let's use a pair I'm interested in. So now for this particular one, we'll be ending the triangular arbitrage on BTC. We won't be starting with BTC, right? So before that, you have to have USDT in your balance. So the project we'll be exploiting, just go over here. Instead of using the search, this place is shortcuts. You can just use here. Then search for, there's a project called Saga USDT. Now remember, the project must have pairs on different you must have a pair in USDT, USDC, BTC, and all that, right? Now you can see there's no exploitable price difference here on the stable coin part. Let's just know if it's exploitable at the end on BTC. That's from USDT down to BTC. This is what we're going through. We go through these routes, right? So I will not get confused. So first things first, let's start with this, right? Let's click here. Now, if you're purchasing $200 worth, why I'm using $200 is because a lot of people ask whether $200 can be able to make money through arbitrage on the exchange, right? So yeah, let's check that out. Now remember, the profit margin is always subjective because for someone, if you make a small amount, they are not interested in that. But remember, we compound profit in arbitrage trading. That's how you make money through compounding. If you get $5, $3, $4, you do it multiple times, and at the end, when you are done or once the price corrects, you check the total amount and how much you've made so far, right? So that's basically it. Now we'll be getting 7,272 Saga, right? Now in this Saga now, we have to sell it to BTC. Remember, if you're buying with USDT $200, you will get Saga. Now what you have now is the Saga coin. So we go over here again and search for Saga again. Now remember, we have got through the first stage. Now we're going through the second stage, which is BTC. So select Saga BTC. Here now we'll be selling Saga to BTC, so you will not get confused, right? So the amount of Saga we got was, that's the current price. The amount of Saga we got was 7,072 Saga, right? And that amounts to 0.0305 BTC. So just copy this and let's head over to the last stage. Now to complete the triangular arbitrage and the triangle itself. And now we have BTC, right? So we're sending back the BTC to USDT to complete the triangular arbitrage. I don't know if you understand me, right? So if you're having any confusion, you can say you can comment in the comment section, I'll answer you, right? So to complete the triangle, that's what I'm trying to say. We started with USDT, then we got the pair we're interested in, then now we sold the pair to BTC, and to complete the triangle, you have to sell it back to USDT. So we have BTC in our wallet now. That's what it means. Now the amount of BTC we got, this is the current price. The amount of BTC we got was this. Now you can see the profit we make from this is just $3, $3.2. Now we'll take away this amount here for the charges that we incurred, right? Or that's basically it. Wait, let me pause this. How we get the real figure again. Sorry, pause it here. So you see, this is the price we got. Now I'm saying we have to remove this one for the charges so we won't get confused, right? So this is the amount we have now, right? $0.3, and that's basically it. So we made $3 from this particular pair. And remember, this is the current price. So yeah, we made $3 from this particular pair, and that's our profit for this first one. Now you can do this strategy or step over again. You have to start afresh from where I started and do it again. You get another $3 or $2 or $2.5, right? Because the price will keep correcting as you go ahead. Now, two times that's $5. Three times you'll be 4 times you'll be getting $10. It is not high like that enticing to some people. But remember, we are compounding the profit, and if you compound the profit long enough, and this is just one pair, we have a lot of them in this exchange that you can find and exploit, right? So if you find this one and do it over and over, how can't you make money consistently? It's not even possible to say you can make money consistently, right? Unless the money is too small for you. That's a whole different case. You get. So that's basically it. I mean, opportunity presents itself every time in the crypto market through arbitrage trading. Even when the crypto market is terrible, when the prices is crashing and all that, it doesn't really matter. We still make money, right? But now it all goes down to capital and how patient you can be to achieve it, right? So you can also notice that with $200, you're making it $3, right? So if you have $400, that's $6. So the more the capital, the more you have. If you have $1,000, you're making approximately you're making way above $10, right? I'm not doing the math right now, so you're making above $10 and doing multiple times that's $20. So that's basically how we do arbitrage. And if you're using $100, I think you're making $1.5, right? After the expenses, you're getting $1.5, I guess. So that's basically it. If you find this video helpful and you're interested in this type of content, then like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, any confusions, then you can comment in the comment section. And also, you should also know that we are sending out our signals right now. The signal group is up, the mentorship group is up, so you can DM me for that if you're interested. It's not compulsory. The contents on this Telegram channel will keep dropping, but if you want that particular advantage right ahead of the YouTube community, then that's when you will message me for the mentorship and the signal group, right? So yeah, that's basically it. Also share this video to those that may be interested in them. We don't hide updates in this channel. So let's go.